Falling asleep at work? Snoring loudly? Is this you? If so, you might have sleep apnea.
So, what is sleep apnea? Well, sleep apnea occurs when you're sleeping and your throat relaxes a little too much and it contracts onto your airway. And when you're not breathing properly, your heart works a little too fast and it can cause a lot of problems, such as you could get a heart attack or a stroke. So what should I do?
Good question. Well, your first step is to do a home sleep test, and you can do one at Sleeping Lab Malaysia. And after that, once you get diagnosed with sleep apnea, you can get a CPAP machine. A CPAP machine helps you pump airflow into your body while you're sleeping, and so you can breathe better while sleeping.
Right now, AutoSet for Her, yes, it's specifically made for women's anatomy, is 300 ringgit off at Sleeping Lab Malaysia. Breathe better, sleep better with Sleeping Lab today.